So what we have here are materials and supplies that are needed for servicing the CryoTiger system. The first are just some boxed-in wrenches, English measure 3/4 inch and 5/8, used to tighten the fittings, the Air-Equip fittings. And then we're going to need a small amount of a vacuum grease of some description. It can be an APazon, it could be a silicone vacuum grease for lubricating O-rings during the assembly of the fitting. One thing I like to use is a dry Teflon lubricant on the fittings, on the threads, and on the nut swivel to help prevent galling during just normal use of the fitting. I also use a small amount of Loctite on the Air-Equip fitting to prevent the fitting from coming off of the piece that it is attached to. So a very small drop back towards the back part of the threads. We also have a tool that we've made here at Spectral to allow you to connect the CryoTiger system under repair to a vacuum pump. We use a 1/4 inch tube on the cameras to evacuate them. You can use the same vacuum pump with the same fitting to connect to whichever piece of the CryoTiger system is under repair to evacuate it. Another useful tool to have is a gas leak detector. This is a combustible gas leak detector which would be used for the PT30 refrigerant. There's also refrigeration gas leak detectors that would be used for the NF50 refrigerant. And then one thing that's useful also is a lint-free clean room wipe for helping clean the parts just before they're screwed together.